Good morning, everyone. My name is Muammar Gibranes Ebad, and my report topic is all about factors that drives entrepreneur to go global. Cutting costs. In these days of rising wages, additional workers' benefits, and increasing worker awareness about their rights and the result to protest and strikes, more and more business organizations are transferring operations to countries where it is cheaper to operate. If costs are kept low, business profit will rise and the term of existence of the business is ensured. Competition business is getting crowded every day, hence the need to look around for new markets. Generally, the market abroad is big. Availability of resources. Labor is cheap in many countries, especially in underdeveloped areas. To take advantage of these resources, manufacturing operations are moved to where these resources are cheap. Abroad with very high demand entire entrepreneur to go global. This also brings exciting challenges that all the more fun the entrepreneurial flame in the businessman. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest form of business organization. Only one individual owns all the assets. Partnership. Partnership is an association of two or more persons to carry on as a co-owners of a business for profit. By the contract of partnership, two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. Article 1767, New Civil Code. Corporation. Corporation is a separate body consisting of at least five individuals treated by law as a unit. An artificial being created by operation of law, having the right of succession and the powers, attributes, and properties expressly authorized by law or incident to its existence. Section 2, the Corporation Code of the Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.